If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of AirPods Pro 2. The new AirPods Pro 2 were rebuilt from the sound up. They were re-engineered for even richer audio experience. The next level active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency reduce eternal noise. Spatial audio takes immersion to a remarkably personal level. Touch control now lets you adjust volume with a swipe, and leap-in power delivers 6 hours of battery life from a single charge. The new AirPods Pro 2 are fitted with the new H2, which is more immersive by every measure. The new Apple-designed H2 chip is the force behind AirPods Pro and its advanced audio performance. It works in concert and with a custom-built driver and amplifier to deliver crisp, clear high notes and deep, rich bass in stunning definition, so every sound is more vivid than ever. The chip uses powerful new adaptation algorithms to process sound more quickly, tuning audio at the precise moment you hear it. Every detail is rendered for your specific ear shape, immersing you in hear-fidelity sound. A redesigned inward-facing microphone works with voice enhancement algorithms to better recognize and articulate your voice, so it sounds more natural when you're on phone and video calls. Noise cancellation is up to 2 times more active. A new driver and improved acoustic algorithms help active noise cancellation reduce more unwanted noise, so nothing interrupts listening during your commute and when you need to focus. Now with an extra small size, 4 pairs of silicone tips are included to fit a wider range of ears. The tips create an acoustic seal that closes in the sound, and secure AirPods Pro in place. Touch control lets you easily manage playback functions from the stem. Swipe up or down to adjust volume. Press to play and pause music or answer and end calls, or hold to switch between active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency. AirPods Pro take the listening experience to a new level of individuality. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking works with all your devices to immerse you deeper in all around you sound. 2 and adaptive EQ accounts for the fit of AirPods Pro, so you hear every frequency just as it was intended. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.